Okay, hey guys, the Game Leader here and welcome back for another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. This is for the PlayStation 4, as you guys can see. And here is the front of it. Okay, you can see the title, Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. Awesome artwork at the front. And Konami. So that is the front of the case. Take a look at the back. Konami, Legend Hero Mercenary. We have some screenshots here taken from the game. Alright, take a look at the side. Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. So simply, here's the strap. Put this to the side and open it up. Here's the disc itself, okay? Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. I will put that later on inside the PlayStation 4 so you guys can see it. And here I believe this is the manual, and at the back I think I do have some codes. Yes. So here is Metal Gear Solid 5. Metal Gear Solid 5. Yes. I will put that to a side. Here are the controls. Okay. Nothing special about that. But at the back of here I do have a code. Download exclusive items for Metal Gear Solid 5 The Phantom Pain upon its future release. Only available to owners of Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. Okay, so you just insert the code they have included in here so you can unlock the full game later on. So put that to a side, put this up, and let me get the disc. Okay, insert it into the PlayStation 4. Turn off the lights. And there you go. Metal Gear Solid 5. And I believe as soon as the game starts, the update will begin. It's installing. Alright. And I believe, yes, there it is. Update file. So I'm just going to close the app. Go up here, notifications, downloads, wait for it to load, and there it is, the update file. So guys, enjoy. That was the unboxing of Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes, and see you guys in my other unboxing videos. So bye bye for now.